Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So I'm looking at these two super-automatic espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the Jura E4. Both seem pretty fancy, but different vibes.
Yeah, I see that. The Breville is definitely more hands-on, even though it's automatic. It's got that touch screen, right?
And it looks like you can customize a ton of stuff. Exactly. The Breville has a touch screen, lets you adjust coffee strength, milk texture, temperature, and even save up to 8 personalized coffees. The Jura E4, though, is more about simplicity. One touch for black coffee specialties.
Which might be all you need, depending on your preferences. True. What about the grinding? That's a big deal for espresso.
The Breville has an integrated conical burr grinder with dose control, so it grinds the right amount of coffee on demand. The Jura uses a professional aroma grinder that promises ideal results over its entire lifespan.
Professional aroma grinder. Sounds fancy. But does it actually make a difference? What about milk frothing? I love a good latte.
The Breville has an auto steam wand where you can adjust the milk temperature and texture. It even helps you make latte art. The Jura E4 doesn't seem to focus on milk drinks at all. Looks like it is mainly for black coffee.
Ah, that's a big difference then. So if you're into lattes and cappuccinos, Breville is the clear winner. If you're a black coffee purist, maybe the Jura. What about size and weight?
The Breville is a bit smaller, at 12.7 DX 12.5 WX 16 inches H and weighs 21.8 pounds. The Jura is larger at 11 DX 17.6 WX 13.8 H and slightly heavier at 22 pounds. Not a huge difference, but something to consider for counter space.
Price-wise?
The Breville Barista Touch is around $799 right now, on sale. The Jura E4 is listed at $1,299. Quite a jump.
Okay, so the Breville is significantly cheaper and seems to offer more features, especially regarding milk drinks.
Yeah, the Jura seems to be betting on its grinding tech and simplicity, but it's a much bigger investment. I think it boils down to what kind of coffee drinker you are and how much you value customization versus ease of use. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.